Yeah, you're clearing it all. Nice job. Nice. Perfect, Spencer. That's great. Those tires are really nice. So fun.
That scraping.
Oh, Chase, you need to rip that front end off so you can get a bumper like Chandler. Okay, man, you got this. Yes, yes. You got the perfect amount of clearance right under that front diff. You're sliding right over. I don't think there's much for me to tell you. It's really a straight shot. Excellent.
Chase could have done that.
He could have done it.
Come on. I gotta be cool.
Oh, that's the perfect pressure.
17 just.
That is perfect for those.
Loving it.
Those tires are soft.
Yeah, they are. They
Awesome.
grab so well.
Awesome. I love that thing.
I mean, it's IFS, it's not.
Nice, Mason. I know, right?
You know, but
It's so cool.
yeah, cool deal. A little drier than normal.
Yeah. Those back springs ride a lot better than they used to.
Oh yeah. Meyer too.
Excellent.
No pedals. We're just chilling.
We're just relaxing out here.
Or put it four low first gear at creek.
What are you doing?
Yeah, at creek.
I'm so glad Dad has a Jeep with the top that comes off now. He really enjoys having the top off.
That's a swanky build, man. That's all the Cherokee on there.
Yeah, just, you know, the axles and the transfer case, everything else. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness.
I like that song. I want one of those for my son.
It's hard to be patient sometimes.
Yeah.
I love you, Dad.
It
This is a really fun day.
It is.
Woo!
Woo!
Awesome. Nice.